To restore a Phantom Wallet import wallet, you need to follow a series of steps carefully. First, ensure you have the recovery phrase or private key of the wallet you want to restore. This information is crucial for accessing your wallet and its contents. Start by opening the Phantom Wallet application on your device. If you do not have it installed, download and install it from the official website or App Store. Once installed, launch the application and click on the Import Wallet option. This is usually found in the settings or when you first open the wallet application. Next, choose the method you want to use to import your wallet. Phantom Wallet typically allows you to import using a private key or a recovery phrase. Select the appropriate method based on the information you have. If you are using a recovery phrase, ensure it is the correct phrase associated with the wallet you are trying to restore. Enter your recovery phrase or private key carefully. Recovery phrases are typically a series of words, and it is crucial to enter them in the correct order. Private keys are alphanumeric and case-sensitive, so ensure you enter them correctly. After entering the required information, follow the prompts to complete the import process. Once the import is complete, your wallet will be restored, and you will have access to its contents. It is essential to note that restoring a wallet using a recovery phrase or private key gives full access to the wallet and its funds. Therefore, ensure you keep this information secure to prevent unauthorized access. Best practices include storing your recovery phrase or private key in a secure location, such as a safe or a secure note-taking application. Avoid sharing this information with anyone, as it can be used to access your wallet. Regularly back up your wallet information to prevent loss in case your device is compromised or lost. In conclusion, restoring a Phantom Wallet import wallet is a straightforward process that requires careful attention to detail. By following these steps and maintaining the security of your wallet information, you can ensure the safety and integrity of your digital assets.